Those that fear the Lord. He also fasts. Another biblical principle that we have to put in place. These are, and I love it, because these are also weapons of our warfare. He fasts. Jehoshaphat proclaimed a fast throughout all Judea. Howbeit, this kind goeth not out by prayer and fasting. Matthew 17:21. He's the king. He called the fast throughout all Judea. This is another biblical principle that we got to put into place. Fear, fasting. This was a great trial. A great trial. So he turned himself to the Lord and put his weapons into place. Hallelujah. Verse 4. And Judah gathered themselves together to ask help of the Lord. Even out all the cities of Judah, they came to seek the Lord. And Jehoshaphat stood in the congregation of Judah in Jerusalem in the house of the Lord before the new court. It's prayer, y'all. He called Pastor Keisha, he called a prayer meeting. Hallelujah. If you want to call it convocation, call it convocation. Hallelujah. Matter of fact, call it holy convocation. Hallelujah. But the king knew that there had to be a convening together. The king knew that there had to be a coming together. The king knew, hallelujah, that all that are under my reign and my rule had to come together. Let's convene. Not a holy convocation. Who's wearing this?
That's right.
I can get this preacher.
Yes.
I can get this teacher. If I bring that one in, they gonna make me a few $1,000. Let this one does the offering. No, you can't do the offering because no one knows you. They know this one, and their name will bring in the finances. And the world has that principle. I was teaching my kids about name dropping. When you want to, and persuasive writing, drop a famous name.
That's right.
Drop a famous name, you'll persuade them. They're fifth graders, but the world has it. And the church is looking like the world. Famous name dropping.
That's good. That's good.
On holy convocation.
Come on. Oh, God. Thank you.
God is not pleased. He's not pleased. He's a holy God. So you want a famous name drop on a time that's supposed to be set apart for the Lord. Whoever God say bring. If he doesn't say bring anybody, don't bring anybody. If your convocation is we're all on the floor playing